Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 3 of the 10-day mindfulness challenge. And I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditation, and self-care techniques and more. So today we're going to talk about adding mindfulness into your life and especially your everyday tasks. So pull up a chair and let's talk about it. Now, there are many ways for you to add mindfulness into your everyday routine, from when you wake up in the morning, when you're brushing your teeth, when you're completing a task at work, when you're going to the gym, when you're having lunch with a friend, cooking dinner, and even when you're getting ready for bed. Now, we already know that we do these tasks every day, and sometimes we just do it because it's our routine. We do it out of routine. And the point of mindfulness is to take us off of autopilot of our routines and to bring us into the present moment. And this is so that we aren't just mindlessly living, like we mindlessly scroll sometimes. Now, all of these experiences are different, right? So let's talk about one of the easiest ways to add a little mindfulness into some of the moments in your day. It's as simple as tapping into your 5 senses. So, what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, what you can touch or feel. Now, some moments of your day may require that you focus on one sense more than the others, and that's okay. So, let's start with your morning routine. Think about when you wake up in the morning. Maybe you need to see light. So, you open your blinds, and that brings light into your room that helps you to want to wake up. So, that fulfills your sight sense. Now, when you think about sound, maybe you hear the birds chirping and you find that sound is pleasing to your ears. Or maybe you find that you need to have an uplifting song, uplifting beat, upbeat song, something that gets you going in the morning. Or for some people, silence is the best thing. Moving on to taste. Now, waking up in the morning, taste may not be your first sense that you actually want to fulfill. You might want to get ready first, but later when you get breakfast, that's when you can think about your sense of taste. So, does your breakfast taste good? Does it make you feel full? Does it satisfy you? Is there something that you can add or take away to make it better for the next morning? And these are just ways to be mindful about what you're eating. The next sense is smell. So, you may not think about that as soon as you wake up in the morning, but you may think about it when you go to take a shower. So, you think about how good your body wash or your soap smells, and you may even think about adding essential oils to your shower. So maybe you like fresh smells, something to help you wake up. So peppermint oil or eucalyptus oil, something that you can add to your shower. Or you may opt to have the fresh eucalyptus plants on your shower head. So those are ways that you can kind of fulfill your sense of smell in the morning. And finally, what you can touch or feel. And you may not think about this when you first wake up, but you may focus on it when you're washing your face, when you're washing your body, and even when you're putting on clothes. So think about the clothes and the fabric. Maybe you want to find something that is so soft to wear today. That's going to fulfill your sense of touch, your sense of feeling. And even in this moment, you might focus on sight again. So what you see, we know that when we look good, we feel good. So you want to make your outfit pop. You want something that's going to make you feel good for the rest of the day. So now you fulfill your sense of touch and sight just by putting on the clothes that you want to wear for that day. Now, if you can focus on all of this in the morning, just in the morning, imagine how many other opportunities throughout the day you have to add mindfulness to your routine. Now, I'll give you one more example and then I'll let you go and experience some mindfulness for yourself. Let's think about having dinner or lunch with a friend or a spouse or anyone in general. So, for this experience, let's think about our sense of taste and our sense of hearing or listening. So obviously you both want to pick a restaurant that you love or a restaurant that you want to try, and one that hopefully will satisfy your taste buds. And as you both eat, you can tap into how the food tastes, what spices you taste, how it makes you feel, all of those things. But also I want you to focus on mindful listening. So we deal with distractions all day long. Distractions from our email, from social media, from phone calls, from text messages, All those things are constantly coming in all day long. And sometimes it makes it hard for us to concentrate on one thing. So, if you're having dinner or lunch with a friend or even just a conversation, try actually listening and limiting your distractions. So, this will ensure that both of you are engaged in the conversation and no one feels ignored. So, I hope that these examples have given you an idea of how to incorporate mindfulness into your routines, into your tasks. And I know that we have many moments throughout the day that we can pick from to add mindfulness, but I would recommend that you focus on 2 to 3 moments that you can add mindfulness into your day. So go, 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 and be mindful. And that is it for day 3 of the 10-day mindfulness challenge. And now I want to hear from you. After you've had time to experience mindfulness throughout your day, let me know, how did you feel? What did you notice? Let's talk in the comments. And this is a great time to actually have your journal reflection of this practice, whether you just think about it or whether you take a few moments to write down your thoughts. Take time to notice how you felt during this practice or these practices. Don't forget to check out other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true, but most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 4 of our mindfulness challenge.